In this video, I'm taking a look at this HOPEFOX industrial endoscope. Alright, so we're taking a look at this endoscope. So it's a 720p. It does have a 32 gig SD card that's already installed and included. It has 16.5 feet as far as the actual camera snake portion goes, and a 4.3 inch screen, and the battery is rechargeable via the included micro USB cable and should last between 3 and 4 hours roughly. You have 3 levels of LED brightness we'll take a look at in just a moment. You of course have your Velcro. There's 2 pieces to help manage this 16.5 foot long cable. You have a little cap to cover the lens when not in use. And you have these little accessories. There's actually a mirror, a magnet, and a hook. So you can see. And that just attaches right on the end. So if you need to retrieve something that you've dropped, you can do that. And they have a little carrying container, which is nice. It does have a little user guide. And it's just a little sleeve that it comes with. That goes over top of the case, and the case semi-rugged, has a nice little handle, of course zipper enclosure, and on the inside mesh and elastic to keep everything nice and organized. Right, so underneath this little cover is your reset, your charge port, and your micro SD card, and on the top your power button. Over here you have your LED brightness. This is your camera or video button. At the bottom you have your lens switch, so you can switch between either one of the lenses, the front facing or forward facing or the side. Then you have arrows up and down to navigate, and in the middle is your OK button, so that's just to confirm whenever you make a selection. You have your settings button and your mode button. The mode button will let you switch between camera, video, and playback, but if I hold this down for a few seconds, you can see it fires up. Alright, so you can see the inside of the actual pipe or tube, and if I hit the switch button, it switches. So it's actually probably laid right up against the side, so it's kind of hard to make out. We could probably make a little bit of an adjustment, so you can see a little bit when we change the LED brightness levels. If we turn it off, of course, nothing. So anyway, we'll switch back because you can see a little bit better that way. So that would let us inspect the pipe. We can actually see a little bit of dust and everything build up in this little vacuum cleaner hose pipe. So if you want to take a picture or video, you just press that button. It's going to take a picture. If I hit the mode button, I can switch. Now I'm recording. There's actually a little timer up here. I can stop recording, hit the mode button. I've got all the different pictures and videos I've taken. I can cycle through and I can view those. If I hit the settings button, I have my resolution and I have the availability of having or not having the timestamp. If I hit that again, I then have an auto power off. I've got mine set for 5 minutes. You can set language, date, time, format the SD card, revert everything to its default setting, view the used and available space for the internal memory, and if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we have our version information. And then if we hit settings again, we get back out to the main menu. We can see our little battery status, and if I press and hold the power again, it's back off. So as you can see, it's very quick turning on, very quick to turn off, very easy to navigate. Has these little rubber grips on both ends and a little bit of a kind of a grip area right there, so when you're holding this and mashing the buttons single-handed, it's going to be very easy for operation, assuming you're right-handed. But as you can see, it's very easy to use, and 3 to 4 hours is going to be quite a bit of time you can get from that 32 gig SD card included. You don't have to find your own, and no batteries, just recharge it whenever you're not using it. Okay, so it's a quick overview, quick demonstration. If you want to find out more, check out the link below the video. Thanks for watching.